Hello and welcome to Total Network Inventory Tutorials and Examples. In this video, you'll learn how to work with the Sensors mode. This mode is designed to collect and monitor hardware sensor data over an extended period of time. Unlike standard scan results, which reflect sensor readings only at the moment of scanning, Sensors mode allows you to analyze how sensor values change over time. Let's take a look at the concept and how this mode works. To collect sensor data successfully, a resident agent must be installed on the remote devices, with the corresponding option enabled. This allows the agent to run as a service and pull hardware sensors at regular intervals. The collected data is averaged, compressed, and time-stamped. The resulting data packets are then split into sets containing minimum, average, and maximum values for a specific time period. After enough of these data sets are accumulated, the information is grouped into a separate file and transmitted to the program. Now, we'll go through the sensor polling setup and then review how to work with the collected results. To gather sensor data from remote devices, a resident agent must be installed. In this example, we'll demonstrate this mode using a single device on the network. In the scanner mode, switch to the Resident Agent Installation tab and configure an agent profile. Enable the Sensor Data Collection option. This allows the agent to collect all available information from the device's physical sensors. The profile with the required settings is now ready. Next, specify the network range where agents will be installed on discovered Windows devices or add devices manually. For this example, we'll select a single device. When creating the task, make sure to select the previously configured profile from the list. Then start the agent deployment. After the agent is successfully deployed and has collected data, import the scan results after some time has passed. You need to import both the main scan and the sensor data files. Now, select the required device and switch to the Sensors mode to work with the collected data. In this mode, sensor statistics can be viewed in several ways. In Summary View, in Tree View, and in Table View. All data is also grouped by sensor location and sensor type. By selecting the required categories, you can generate a report for specific device sensors over a selected time period. If you want to build a report using data collected earlier, you can adjust the history depth setting. Similar to the change log mode, reports can be generated for a specific time period. Within a selected date range, or for the entire data collection period. If needed, all data can be copied as plain text or CSV, or exported to supported formats. Reports can be generated for a single device, as shown in this video, or for a group of devices. All sensor data is available for review. But what if you need to monitor specific parameters and be alerted when threshold values are exceeded? This is where custom alerts come in. Select the required agent profile and define the threshold values. In generated reports, All threshold violations will be highlighted immediately. To view all devices with exceeded thresholds or other issues, switch to Summary View and enable the Show Problems Only filter. In this mode, all problematic devices are displayed in a convenient list. Another useful TNI feature is the ability to add any sensor to an exclusion list. This is helpful when a sensor is known to be operating normally, but its readings still trigger warnings. For example, this may occur with reduced fan speeds under manual control or with significant changes in environmental conditions. Sensors added to the exclusion list are ignored during alert processing and analysis. In reports, excluded sensors are shown in light gray. If needed, you can hide excluded sensors entirely in the program settings. For easier monitoring of sensor warnings and alerts, use the dedicated assistant. Any threshold violation will be immediately displayed next to the device as a corresponding icon. As a result, the alert's functionality allows you to detect any parameter deviations directly in the network tree, even before generating or viewing reports. Thank you for watching.